I am Alexandra Patryasaeva. I am 21 years old. I was detained on October 30, 2020 for allegedly participating in a mass riots. When I was detained for the first time in August 2020, I experienced torture, beatings, humiliation, insults. I was threatened with a rape. They forced me to undress, stand on the stage, and at the same time they didn't stop beating me. And the person who was beating me was a woman. Then they let me go. My ligaments were severely injured as a result of beatings. I turned to the Investigative Committee of Republic of Belarus, but my application was refused. None of the policemen were prosecuted.